Welcome to Jamaica.
From Air Canada 7050.
Canada 7050 Hotel.
Good morning, Air Canada 7050, Romeo and Echo.
7050 clear to land 7 degrees 1 coordinate.
And Romeo 27. Bravo, and we'll call ground 1217 Air Canada 70. Good day, West 2708 is established on the RNAV, RMP 07 for the stop.
2708. 07.
West 2708.
Clear to land runway 07 with 060 degrees 149.
Clear to land 07, West 2708.
Right time 17, right on taxi Bravo 3.
Taxi off Bravo, we are parking the gate 8, correction, gate 9.
270, continue taxi Bravo, Alpha, Echo, Foxtrot, gate 9, monitor ground 121 decimal 7.
Bravo, Alpha, Echo, Fox to the gate. And we'll monitor ground 121 West at 2708.
Terminal 7052, arrive to gateway via taxiway Bravo, Alpha Hotel,
Bravo Alpha, hold short of Echo, Air Canada 7052.
Zero 7150 degrees, 11 knots.
Clear to land, JetBlue 779er. Air Canada 7052.
7052, continue Alpha Echo to base 1, monitor ground 121 decimal 7.
Echo Alpha 18 and monitor 1217, Air Canada 7052.
Transfer to confirm, ready upon reach.
JetBlue 2126.
2126, land upon reach, route runway 07.
07, JetBlue 2126.
179er, arrive 26, vacate taxi Bravo, Alpha, hold short of Echo.
Hold short Echo, JetBlue 779er.
Takeoff on 07, wind 050 degrees, 16 knots.
Clear for takeoff runway 07, JetBlue 2126. Good afternoon, American 2702, RMB 07.
2702, transfer to continue approach 107, wind 050 degrees, 16 knots.
Continue approach 07, American 2702.
179er, stable.
JetBlue 779, I believe it's gate 12. And now.
Echo monitor zone 1217.
JetBlue 779, we are heading to gate 12.
Airborne 28, contact Anchorage 128.1.
28-1, JetBlue 2126. Good day and stay safe. Seven Niner heading to gate 12.
702, clear to land 107, wind 050 degrees, 15 knots.
Clear to land 07, American 2702.
Echo to gate 12.
Echo to gate 12, JetBlue 779, thanks.
121, decimal 7.
JetBlue 779.
arrive 31, decrease via taxiway Bravo, contact ground on 212.7.
Bravo 217, American 2702, thank you.